Welcome to Omni Garage. We're doing our first install video today.
And today we'll be installing the Supertone halo horns for 2007 WRX using the GrimmSpeed wiring harness and the GrimmSpeed BroTie.
So I've got absolutely no idea what I'm doing here, so I'm hoping that I'm going to be able to be showing the ropes, and we might be doing a second install of some halo horns sometime soon.
Ooh, yeah.
Right, should we get to work? Let's get to work.
So here we have the halo horn Supertone. And if we unbox these, they come pretty well packaged. So, first halo horn, second halo horn, our little relay there, and we've got some instructions and a little sticker. Don't think we'll need those though. Unpackage these halo horns here. I chose the red ones. They look nice and solid. Got some brackets on the back there. A couple of little plugs. And the same for that one. Brackets, a couple of plugs. And if we unbox our BroTie, oh, it feels quite nice and solid. Looks like it's been laser cut out there with the laser cut of the GrimmSpeed logo, and it's finished nicely in the powder coat. And there's some mounting hardware there. Sticker, because everyone loves a good sticker. And then last, if we just unbox our GrimmSpeed wiring harness. There it is, there's the harness. Hopefully it should be just plug and play right onto the OEM connections.
What we're going to do is we're going to unbolt all of this, right? So how many pieces need to come out to?
So we need to take these grill parts out. So one grill bit, second grill bit, and there's just some little plastic clips there. I think 4 plastic clips, and it should just pop right on out. They come out pretty easy.
So they just pop straight out.
Yeah. It's coming out.
Easy as that. Just give it a bit of a wiggle.
Give it a bit of a wiggle. Oh, easy.
Right, so do we have any instructions to do this, or we've kind of fumbled our way through?
So no instructions came with any of the parts, but we'll fumble away. I think it's pretty straightforward.
Right, what are we using to
So
move
we've
the
got
existing horn?
12mm, 30mm socket set. I don't quite know what size it is.
Okay, cool.
But the first step would be to take this off.
Okay.
So that looks like it's a 12mm.
Yep. Cool, that thread's out. Right, that's our first one.
First horn there. It's still got the OEM connection on the back there though. So we just take that off. This is the OEM one, and this is the halo horn one. Much bigger.
So have you worked out mounting points, how wide you want to go inside?
Haven't done any of that yet, so I think that looks like it'll go in there pretty well. So if we mount it that way up, we need to take these off. One. that bracket over, and I think, what do you reckon if we put them in the middle there to start with?
Yeah, give that a go.
See what that looks like. You probably want it so that your connection points are face down, so when it goes up, face down. I haven't done them up too tight, but they shouldn't move around.
So have you got any instructions that came with the that harness?
So no instructions came with the harness, but on the GrimmSpeed website there's a bit of a wiring diagram that you can follow. And from memory we want to keep our connection points the same, so this is going to be our grounding wire. So if we start with the right hand side to right hand side, and then this is what's going to give us our connection to our OEM plug. And if we then connect that up to the left hand side with the left hand side, right, let's see how that goes.
It's all wired up.
You can unbolt this latch.
A bit of torque on there. So we're just cleaning up the harness.
This is the OEM one, it's pretty filthy.
Yeah, there's about 12 years worth of grime on there, eh?
Yeah. That's a snug fit. And then you want to mount that, which is your ground port, onto there with that bolt and do it up. And if you just flip around, it should just mount up into there. Where's that? I think it's that one. Yeah.
There you go. So it's our 13mm.
I need the extension bar. Not with that on the end of it though. They were so loud compared to the OEM ones.
The sound of that, everyone is going to know what's coming up behind them. And they look pretty awesome to boot. So that was a fairly quick install.
Yeah, it took about 20 odd minutes.
Yeah, and we had a bit of mucking around for a missing bolt in the end. But luckily there was another one that was supplied with the halogen, so we've just used that one in replacement.
Guys, for watching Omni Garage with our first product install. Hope you enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe.